So the third object that we're going to create is a cherry lotus. You can have a look at the design, and I'll request Dolon to begin to make it. Similar to the last tulip, the dough is divided into the number of petals that are going to be used of equal size. And basically the structuring is the same. You first roll it into a ball, but now she needs it more flat, the inside. This is the center being made. So this is the center, see, like this, the center of this flower. Now Dolon, একটু আস্তে করে দেখাও তো, how are you getting this point to form? এই যে পয়েন্টটা হচ্ছে, এটা তুমি কি করে হাতের চাপে করছো? ভালো। Okay, so you have to roll it into a conical shape. যখন এরকম লম্বাটে হচ্ছে তখন থেমে যাও। See, you have to reach it to this level. And just after that, you give the pressure so that it becomes like this. Okay? You can watch it again. And then comes the attaching to the center. There's no adhesive, nothing. It's just with the moisture of the clay. You can attach a wire if you want a stem. And then the design in the center has to be made by simple poking. So you can see the flower is ready for firing. And then the stem can be attached depending on whether you want it or not. Now the location of the petals can be decided by you. You can just arrange it like you like.